Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, we are learning lesson number 7, force, work and energy. Keywords: energy, the capacity of a body to do work. Force, the push or pull that can move an object. Friction, the force generated when two surfaces rub against each other. Gravity, the force of the earth that pulls object toward the earth. Machine, a tool or device that makes a task easier. Renewable resources are resources that is continuously being renewed by a rapid natural process. Turbine, a machine used to produce electricity. Hello guys, we are learning lesson number 7, force, work and energy. Force. Force. Have you ever been on a swing? What makes the swing go up? When you push the swing with your leg and body, it goes up. An empty swing moves when the wind pushes it. Similarly, if you pull something towards yourself, it moves. The push or pull can move an object. The push or pull acting on an object is called force. Force moves an object. When you push a table, you apply force on it. If the force is sufficient, the table moves. Similarly, wind moves the branches of tree because it has force. Flowing water moves a boat because it has force. A bull pulls a cart because it applies force. However, you cannot move an object without using enough force. To move a light object such as a pencil, you use less force. But to move a heavy object such as a table, you have to apply more force. What else can force do? If you have played hockey, football, or cricket, you would have noticed that you can stop a moving ball, change its speed as well as change its direction. To do so, you have to use some force. Thus, force can make a moving object move faster or it can slow down a moving object. Force can stop or change the direction of motion of a moving object. Force can also change the shape of something. For example, the shape of a chapati dough will change if you apply force. Talk about it. Which is your favorite outdoor game? Discuss how force is applied in the game. Types of forces. There are different types of forces. Let's us learn about some of them. Muscular force. Muscular force. What happens when you pedal a bicycle? The bicycle moves. You use your leg turn by turn to apply force on the pedals. The muscles of your legs generate the force. The force applied by your body muscles is called muscular force. During a game of tug of war, we use muscular force, gravitational force of the earth. When we throw a ball up in the air, it always falls to the ground. Fruits from a tree too always fall to the ground. This is because the earth pulls everything toward itself. The force that pulls everything toward the earth is called gravitational force of the earth or gravity of the earth. Magnetic force. Have you seen a magnet attracting iron objects? The magnet pulls the iron object towards itself, which then stick to the magnet. The force of a magnet which pulls certain object towards itself is called magnetic force. Friction force. Friction is a force. It is generated when two separate surfaces rub against each other. Friction between two surfaces slows down or stop a moving object. A bicycle has handbrakes on both the wheel. When the brakes are applied, they rub against the wheel. Friction between the brakes and the wheel slows down and stops the bicycle. Similarly, when we push a ball on the ground, it begins to roll. The rolling ball slows down and immediately stops. This happens because of friction between the surface of the ground and the surface of the ball. Friction has other uses. Friction between the ground and our feet allows us to walk. We would not able to walk on the surface that does not generate any friction. We cannot walk on ice because ice does not generate any friction with our feet when we try to walk on it. Friction force slows down a moving bicycle. My Ikura movement. Apply some soap solution to your hand. Try to open a tightly closed lid of a jar. Can you do it? Now rinse your hand and dry them well. Try to open the lid of the jar. What did you observe? It is difficult to open a tightly closed lid of jar when your hand is covered in soap solution. This is because the soap solution reduces the friction between the hands and the lid of the jar. When is work done? Work is done when an object moves over a distance on applying force. For example, if you move a pencil, work is done. However, after applying a lot of force, if you are not able to move a table, no work is done. My Ikura movement. So study the picture. If work is being done, write WD. If not, write WND. Here is work done. Here is work not done. And here is work done. Energy is used when force is applied. Whenever force is applied, energy is used. A car, for example, moves due to the energy that is produced from burning petrol. Energy causes movement every time something moves, energy is used. Energy is the capacity of a body to do work. When you apply force, your body uses energy. For example, to move a table, you apply force, and to do so, your body uses energy. Vehicle use energy from the petrol they burn. Your body obtains energy from the food you eat. Have you seen a sailboat? What helps it to move? Wind energy moves a sailboat. A sailboat also uses the energy of flowing water to move. Flowing water has energy and therefore exerts force. This force can move things. A magnet can move things because it possesses energy. Sources of energy. The sun. The sun is the main source of energy on the earth. The sun is made up of gases. These gases burn all the time and produce heat and light energy. The energy present in the rays of the sun is called solar energy. Plants use solar energy to make their food. Thus, some the solar energy gets stored in food. Solar energy can be converted into electricity and used to light lamps and operate fans, street light and traffic signals. Solar cooker and solar water heater use solar energy to generate heat. Solar cookers are used to cook food, while solar water heater are used to heat water. Solar panel to generate electricity, solar water heater to heat water, solar cooker to cook food. Talk. Did you know Sonam Wangchuk, an Indian innovator, developed the world's first solar heaters, military tents of for soldiers presented positioned in cold areas. Talk about it. Solar energy is environmentally friendly. Discuss in class. Myth or fact? Solar panel work only when the sun shines brightly. Even when the sun is not shining brightly, solar panels keep working. Food. Your body works all the time. The body does some work. When you talk, walk or run, it works even when you are sleeping. Your heart, lungs and kidney work even when you are asleep. The body uses energy to work. It obtains the energy from the food you eat. Flowing water. Flowing water has energy. This energy is called tidal energy. The huge amount of water flowing at high speed has enough tidal energy to even bend railway tracks. Tidal energy can be used to run turbines. A turbine is a machine used to produce electricity. Boats use the energy of flowing water to move. During floods, the force of flowing water caused a lot of damage. Wind. Moving air is called wind. Wind has energy. We know that a sailboat moves using wind energy. Wind turbines use wind energy to set turbines in motion and thereby produce electricity. In class, take the correct option. The energy present in the sun rays is called solar energy. Wind turbines use wind energy. Flowing water is used to produce electricity. The energy of the flowing water is called tidal energy. Forms of energy. Energy occurs in various forms such as heat and forms of energy. Energy occurs in various forms such as heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, and mechanical energy. The sun produces heat and light energy. An oven works on electrical energy. A moving car has a mechanical energy. Different forms of energy. Heat energy. Heat has energy. Heat can make things work. Motor vehicles and many other machines works on Heat energy. When fuels burn, heat and light are produced. Petrol, diesel, compressed natural gas, CNG, kerosene, wood and coal are commonly used as fuels. Heat energy is also used to cook food. Fuels such as kerosene, liquefied petroleum gas (LPG), coal and wood are used to cook food. LPG cylinder, wood fire. Electrical energy. Fans, washing machines and other electrical appliances work on energy, electricity. Because electricity has energy, this is called electrical energy. Electrical washing machine. Mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the energy processed by an object due to its position or its motion or both. A magnet pulls things because it possesses energy. Wind moves things because it has energy. Similarly, flowing water has energy and thus moves heavy object. A huge rock rolling down the hill, if we push things that come in its way because the rolling rock has energy. A moving vehicle, wind, flowing water, a rolling rock, and a magnet all have mechanical energy. AC is electrical appliances. Machines. A machine is a tool or a device that helps to create a task easier. A machine can be simple or complex. Simple machine. Some machines are simple tools. Such machines are called simple machines. A needle, a pair of scissors, a knife, a hammer, and an axe are example of simple machines. A A pair of scissors, a simple machine. Complex machines. We use many kinds of complex machine. Complex machines are made up of many parts. A car, a bicycle, a sewing machine are some examples of complex machine. A sewing machine, a complex machine. Did you know the first simple machine used by early humans were probably strong stick to dig out edible plants, parts, or sharp stones to hunt animals? Tip: much of the electricity that we use is produced in thermal power plants. Electricity is produced in these power plants by burning coal. When coal burns, harmful gases are produced. These gases mix with air and make it impure. When we take steps and reduce out energy, we reduce the burning of coal and prevent air from being impure. Keywords: energy, the capacity of a body to do work. Force, the push or pull that can move an object. Friction, the force generated when two surfaces rub against each other. Gravity, the force of the earth that pulls object toward the earth. Machine, a tool or device that makes a task easier. Renewable resources are resources that is continuously continuously being renewed by a rapid natural process. Turbine, a machine used to produce electricity. Allah Hafiz, please like, share and subscribe my channel Ayan Educational Activities. Bye.